Is on my wife's car. I need the two output shaft seals on the transmission. They need to be replaced. And I'm thinking that might be a good little video I could probably do on that. I'm not sure, because I do car repair too. Blanco. Okay, so that's it for now on our thing. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and clean this in water and stuff, get all the gas off and stuff, wash my hands a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to be starting on preparing to put this together and get it to run again. So that will be it for now. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I got more for you to do, and won't have to do any more. I'm going to go ahead and mostly edit a lot of this stuff out, so you don't have to see a lot of time of me working on this. So you won't have to worry about that. Okay, well guys, thank you for joining me tonight, and I hope that you guys enjoyed and learned a little bit, and we'll see you later.